In 2002, Jean-Pierre Depot founded Belleaqua as an answer to a growing demand in small-scale water management. While the awareness of environmental impact of wastewater grew, so did the need for a reliable solution. Belleaqua quickly realized a complete solution to the problem was needed. Not only manufacturing the water treatment system, but also offering management, monitoring, and maintenance. To this date, Belleaqua has over 6,000 installations in service and an eclectic client list ranging from companies, communities, to individual houses. Maintaining such a large amount of installations simultaneously poses an interesting set of problems. A reliable, programmable logic controller system was called for. Siemens Logo is at the heart of our wastewater systems control unit due to its proven reliability and extended feature set. Through various sensors, it can provide accurate information about the water's quality and the general status of the system. These constant measurements allow us to anticipate difficulties before the client experiences any. And if the issue can't be solved remotely, a technician can be dispatched to fix the problem. Our service center operates 7 days a week, enabling us to quickly react to any emergency presenting itself.
Thousands of installations generate a huge amount of data. Siemens Logo 8.3 Cloud Solution is a huge step forward in our data management. It offers an inexpensive and reliable way to send data to a centralized service for monitoring and visualization. By using the cloud services on AWS, we can rely on a near-perfect availability and security of our platform, which is of vital importance for a good service towards our customers. Not only do cloud-based services offer a great way to easily analyze and visualize data, they also future-proof our product. Due to the extensive IT integration, we are able to perform more in-depth analytics of the dataset and develop integration with existing client infrastructure, or even develop whole new applications, such as an automated system optimization. Moving to the cloud allows us to take full advantage of the rapid advances being made in the IT world. Belleaqua is always looking to further optimize and automate their process to reduce cost and make wastewater management more accessible. In Siemens, we found a reliable partner to help us grow.